Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the thrift haul from my last Thrift With Me video, and I'm also gonna show you a couple of simple makeovers. So I did get the little footstool that I showed you, and if you remember from the video, it was actually a burnt orange color, and I really bought it mainly for the legs. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos where people upcycle the legs of vintage furniture and they use it for other projects. So I thought if I didn't use it as a footstool, I would definitely upcycle the legs because I thought they were really cool. I thought I'd make a plant stand out of it or something. So I did a lot of research online about painting fabric, and I've seen a lot of good results on people's YouTube channels and just on blogs. So I thought I would give it a try. And I'm really glad I did because I thought it came out great. I didn't want to reupholster this because the quality was so good. And I just used 2 coats of, believe it or not, black chalk paint that I had left over. So what I did is I did dilute the paint a little bit. I did 1 part water to make it go on easier. And this is just 2 coats of paint. And then I just kept the legs the same. And this was only $8, and I just love how it came out. I did get 2 more Nat Geos, and my intention is to collect them until I fill this whole basket up with them because I like the pop of yellow up here at the top. The 2 Nat Geos I picked up on this trip were these 2 here, and they were only 50 cents a piece. So I got this one. It's called The Science of Addiction, and it was September 2017, so that's fairly new. And then I also got this one from February 2001. So another item I got on my thrifting trip was this really cool lamp, and I had been wanting one like this for a while, and it's just like a vintage floor lamp, and I got it for $11. So it originally had a different lampshade on it, and I just went to Walmart and I found this one, and it was only about $5, and it's just like this cream colored linen shade. And I used to have a corner lamp over here, but it had a lot of shelves on it and it was just kind of bulky. And once we moved it, I really missed having that light in the corner. So I think this one's perfect. It blends in with the decor and it's not too bulky. The only other thing I did was take the finial that was on top of here off. So I think somebody lost the original finial and then just replaced it with this because, as you can see, it's 2 different colors. So I just took it off completely because I thought it was a little too frilly for the lamp. I did just kind of wrap the cord around the post so it wasn't all hanging loose there. So the next couple items I got are also items that I got for my bookshelf styling. And let me show you what those items are. So I did get this little glass ram, and it was only $1, and it is a candle holder. And what I really liked about it, it was a very thick, high quality glass. So it has this little sticker on it. It says Handmade, Boda, Sweden. So that made me feel like for $1, I was getting something pretty good. So I just thought it would look really cute on my bookshelf. So down here, 2 shelves down from the ram, I got this book. And this book was only $1, and it's called Gorgeously Green: 6 Simple Steps to a Earth-Friendly Life. It has recipes, it has yoga poses, it has different DIYs for like beauty products and just how to live a more green life. So I got that to read. The last item I picked up was the wire glass picture frame, and I thought this was really cool because I could put artwork inside of it, and I have it hanging here in my spare bedroom. I don't have anything in it yet. I'm gonna do probably a watercolor painting or take some of my vintage postcards and put them in there or something really cool and unique. And a bonus thrift find was this mirror. I actually got it yesterday and it was only $4. And I put it here above my vanity. And as you can see, it sits flush to the wall. And this was actually from Target. It had a sticker on the back and this was only $4 and there was no scratches on it or anything. I just have it on the wall here above my vanity. And when I found the mirror, I also found this little wooden bowl. And this was only, let's see, $1.59. And I really hate that they always put the price with marker on different things. Most of the time on glass and stuff like that, or ceramic, it comes off pretty easy. But on this wood, it's really not gonna come off. But I think I want to sand this down a little bit and stain it like a darker color. So I think it will be okay. But I really love this, and I like that it has a little handle right here. I am DIYing a coffee table for my loft. I ordered some hairpin legs, and I'm gonna get a round tabletop and stain that and make a cool retro coffee table. So I got this with the intention to put on the coffee table and maybe put some candy or something in it. So those are my 2 bonus finds. Once again, that was $4 and that was $1.59. And one last thing I wanted to show you was the Target print that I got in my last haul video. So I have it on my wall going up my staircase here. And I did have a round mirror here and I moved that into my bedroom because I really thought this would be a perfect spot for the artwork here. Once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and please stay tuned for many more thrift hauls, thrift with me and shop with me videos in the future.